Okay, so re-recording the pole vector because I did not have sound on. The mic as close as I can too, so. Okay, so I'm gonna grab a, just something pointy, works good. Something where you can see where it's pointing to. And I'll just call that the left pole vector control. And I'm going to group it. And this time I'm going to be smart and duplicate it and flip it to the other side. Okay, and so then what I'm gonna do is I want to select its group and modify center pivot, and we might as well do the same thing on the other side. And I'm going to call this the left knee group, and we're just going to do the left side, but just setting it up for the next other side as well. And so the first thing we want to do is we want to select a controller, not the group, and do a constrain pole vector, apply. Should see this cool little arrow that or this cool little like vector line that goes straight to your thing, and it should already be doing that, so that's good. And but next thing we want to do is we want to make it so we don't want to basically counter animate, because without the extra steps we have to do this and then we have to do this, but if we go the these extra few steps, it's going to save us a lot of that. So we're going to select the IK leg joint, foot control, and the group. And I gotta find that group. There we go. The left knee group. So shift select that one, right? Now we're going to constrain, and we're going to do a point constraint. Make sure this is not selected. Apply. Our leg's going to do some craziness, but that's fine. We're not too worried about that. Right, and now we want to select the IK hip, and then the knee group again, and now we're going to say constrain aim, and we want the aim vector to be y1 and the up vector to be y1, and we say apply. Right, and now we can move our controller to where we want it to be. So I'm just going to go in the left viewport here and just kind of move it to about there, because I assume they're probably going to end up around the same point. And with the controller, not the group, selected, we're going to say modify freeze transformations. Right, and now we should see that this does that, and we don't have to counter animate and move our foot and then our everything else. And that is that. And there you go. Good to go.